What about some highlights and things that we've sort of achieved over the past couple of years? What's things that Sutton's really proud of that we've been able to do together?
To me, it is first and foremost, it's the exposure. Right? So at the moment, Sutton are going through a little bit of a learning experience with delving deeper into social media. And James has been instrumental within our business of doing that. And he's got the support of the team there, and Sue's right behind him as well, which is really exciting. Really trying to drive that. Working with Callista as well. There's a little video shot last week of a new product that'll be hitting the market shortly.
That's exciting.
Not going to give too much away, but I'm sure it'll stick when it lands. There's a little clue for you. And it's my attempt at comedy, which was terrible. For us to be able to learn from yourselves who do that social aspect of it really well, and you actually engage with your members and supporters and the trades out there through a number of different causes, and one that I think is actually really important, that mental health, especially amongst trades, nobody really has a chat. It's opened our eyes to how we can approach that social media aspect, and then getting exposure actually hands-on in front of the up-and-coming trades, and teaching them a little bit about what we do. We're not just a drill, we're not just a hole saw. There's a little bit more to what we do, which is, you've given us that, and that's exposure that we didn't have in that area before, which I think is really exciting.
I think the other surprising thing is, because I'm the member manager, I try and handle a lot of the engagement that we've got with our chippies. And the one thing that was definitely surprising for me was how many blokes were, anytime I'd come out and I'd show them some new Sutton stuff, or we'd have some stuff to give away, whatever it might be, they knew that they were already using it. They're like, I've already got, I bought the new Viper pack last week, and I need that new, like the new spade bit set. Mine were buggered from a couple of years ago, whatever it might have been. But the amount of people that I've gone out and seen, and they're already either using it or have used it in the past, it was refreshing knowing that we were sort of in the right direction. We're supporting the right sort of company.
Absolutely, it's nice to hear, isn't it? I mean, you don't always need a pat on the back, but when they come, it's a good thing.
Yeah,
so to hear that feedback, and to your point, the engagement with the right businesses, that's a positive.
I think one thing that we wanted to do in the future as well was really, because with all of our partners and all the people that we sort of work closely with, we love to be able to provide our members with either a service or be able to provide them with sort of better pricing. And I think at the moment we're sort of working on both of those angles with Sutton. So hopefully, maybe by the end of the year, we should be able to have maybe our own little portal where some of our members can go and access all of the Sutton range, and I'd like to include Carby Tool and stuff in there as well. And it just means that we're really able to get them the right tools and get them the right stuff easier.
Yeah, absolutely.
Instead of having to sort of jump through different hoops.
And I think really drilling down into industry specific, if we can drill down into that, and we do that a little bit with some of our product branding and packaging. So people will notice within our wholesale sets we'll have the plumber, electrician, the carpenter. So if we can actually help segment that down and provide the right advice for the segment they're in.
Happy. Yeah.